Hello! The Jamf Fundamentals plan includes password syncing in Jamf Now. When enabled, the Jamf Connect menu bar app is installed on Macs to ensure the local account password is synced with the user's Microsoft Entra ID password. Let's go through how to enable password syncing with Microsoft Entra ID in Jamf Now. First, we need to configure some settings in the Microsoft Entra ID portal. After logging in, click the Portal menu button in the top left to open the sidebar, then select Microsoft Entra ID. In the new sidebar that appears, click App Registrations, then click the New Registration button. Enter a name for this application, then select Accounts in this organizational directory only under Supported Account Types. Click Register, and a new app registration is added to Microsoft Entra ID. While viewing the application, click API Permissions from the Manage section in the sidebar. Click the button to grant admin consent for your organization, then click Yes to confirm. Finally, select Authentication from the Manage section in the sidebar. You may have to scroll down a bit to find the advanced settings on this page, then click Yes for the Allow Public Client Flows setting. Click Save, then navigate back to the overview in the sidebar of this app registration. Take note of the application or client ID and the directory or tenant ID on this page. We need these when enabling password syncing in Jamf Now. Let's move there. After logging into Jamf Now, click Blueprints in the sidebar. Click Create New Blueprint or select an existing blueprint. In the list of blueprint options, click Security. Select the checkbox to enable password sync with Jamf Connect, then choose Azure from the Identity Provider pop-up menu. Enter your application or client ID into the ROPG Client ID field, then enter your directory or tenant ID into the Tenant ID field. Once those fields have been populated, click Save Changes. Just be sure the devices you want to have password syncing enabled are added to this blueprint. And remember, a device can only be assigned to one blueprint. If you have more than one blueprint, password syncing can be enabled on others using the same IDs from the app registration created earlier in Microsoft Entra ID. With password syncing enabled, the Jamf Connect menu bar app is installed and configured to open automatically at login. However, it's important to note the app only opens automatically at login after a user has opened it at least once. If a user is logged in when the app is installed, it opens automatically when installation completes, satisfying this requirement. Then they can use the menu bar app to ensure the local account password is synced with their Microsoft Entra ID password. If there is more than one user on the same Mac, each user needs to open the app once to enable it to open automatically when they log in. Thanks for watching.